Good morning. Welcome to another edition of Take Five. It was great seeing you yesterday after being gone a week, and it was a lot of fun, wasn't it? What we did yesterday, going to the Rubio event. But anyway, um, you don't want me to say your name, so I won't. But I know you're watching, and I'm glad you are. We're in Exodus 26. And we're just going to do 31 through 37, and we're still talking about the tabernacle. And I'm just going to read it, and it's going to be short today. Verse 31, make a curtain of blue, purple, and scarlet yarn and finely twisted linen with cherubim woven into it by a skilled worker. Hang it with gold hooks on 4 posts of acacia wood overlaid with gold and standing on 4 silver bases. Hang the curtain from the clasp and place the Ark of the Covenant Law behind the curtain. The curtain will separate the holy place from the most holy place. Put the atonement cover on the Ark of the Covenant Law in the most holy place. Place the table outside the curtain on the north side of the tabernacle and put the lampstand opposite it on the south side. For the entrance to the tent, make a curtain of blue, purple, and scarlet yarn and finely twisted linen, the work of an embroiderer. Make gold hooks for this curtain and 5 posts of acacia wood overlaid with gold, and cast 5 bronze bases for them. Now, all I'm going to say about this, and then that'll be it. You've got the holy place and then the most holy place. And only the high priest could go into the most holy place. The regular people couldn't. I don't even think they could go into the holy place. It was only the priests. Okay, but then it was just the high priest. The number one priest was the only one allowed in there. And it was so scary for him to go in there. He had to have all this ceremony done and all that. But they were scared because this was where the actual presence of God was, the Ark of the Covenant and all that. That they would actually tie a rope to him when he went in. So in case he did and died while he was in there, they would pull him out because they weren't allowed to go in. See, that's how serious they took it. And when Jesus died on the cross, if you remember reading about that, it said the curtain was split in 2. That's what we're reading about right here. When they put that curtain up, that stayed for hundreds and hundreds of years. But when Jesus died on the cross, the curtain was split in 2, which signified the fact that we now have access to God. Okay, you don't have to be the most holy priest. We all now have access to God. Isn't that good? But back then, only the high priest could get that far. All right, that's all we're going to do. We're going to be in, I guess, 27 tomorrow. Exodus 27. So we'll see you then on the next edition of Take 5. Hey, I hope you did your homework. Remember all that homework I gave you? All right. Hopefully you did it. But anyway, Exodus 27 tomorrow. I'm going to stop it as soon as I find the button. There we go.